When someone talks about carpentry tools, last thing that comes in mind is the blower. But let me tell you, this thing has been by my side daily. It's easy to use for things like blowing off your and cleaning up your tools, cleaning up your work area, or even, depending on the size of the battery, you can clean up your shop with it as well. So for sometimes I use it even to start a grill. Like you light up a chimney, charcoal, you can speed up the cooking process on the charcoal by using it. I really like this tool. I believe I bought it like for $80. It's a great investment. I even used it at on the camping, when I went camping, to fill up the mattresses, air mattresses, so it's awesome. Only thing that I don't like it's form factor. It constantly keeps falling. There's no good way to put it. It always trips and always ends up on the floor. Otherwise, I highly recommend it. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and wait for more videos where I explain, as a carpenter, my favorite tools and which I think are the essential for the carpenter or DIYer like yourself.